We are hosting our monthly Cooking Through the Calendar cooking workshop with Healthy Chef Shell here at Nutritional Healing. Nutritional Healing hosts a cooking workshop every single month for basically the last 8 years. Our monthly cooking classes are so important to us because it offers our clients an opportunity to continue their journey with us, especially if they have done a program and they're looking to just continue giving variety and spice up their menu plans after they've done their full program. It also offers a lot of opportunity to the community who aren't clients to come in and get a feel for who we are and our mission with nutrition. One of the things that we teach our clients through programs, and especially these cooking workshops, is the skill set of how to meal prep and just how to prepare fruits and veggies where you think you might not like them, but if you prepare them the right way, you'll be pleasantly surprised. And if you're able to prep your own meals and think outside the box of, wow, I never really realized it was that easy, you're more willing to do it more often and stay consistent and just be healthier overall. We have memberships here at Nutritional Healing. We call them our elite memberships, and it's basically anyone who's finished a program that would like to just stay connected with us and continue their health journey and be a part of the Nutritional Healing family and community here, whether it's the team or other clients who've done programs with us. So they have ongoing perks of, with their membership, they get to come to the cooking classes for free. I think what makes cooking daunting for people is that they're worried it's going to take too much of their time. I think as a society, we're always pressed for time, or we don't have enough time, or that's why we can't be healthy. But when you come to a cooking class and you learn from Healthy Chef Shell and you pick our brains for where to buy these ingredients and is that one healthier than the other, you're more empowered and you realize, hey, we got this done in an hour and a half tonight. Like, you're able to do this on a Sunday, or just pick the day of the week that you can make this part of your lifestyle. Our cooking classes serve that bigger mission of functional medicine in the Fox cities and beyond here, because we're bringing people together and we're showing where it begins. Health begins in the kitchen, and if you're not doing those steps, you can't look for various remedies to try and fix yourself. It all starts from within, and if you really think about what you do all day, every day, you have to connect that everything you're eating and drinking has that outcome of how you're feeling. So that's the part where we're going to just bring it back home and get to the root of what's going on and keep it simple. The ideal person who should come to our cooking classes, I do feel biased that it should be a little bit of everybody, but typically who we see it are people who are finishing programs and they're not ready to leave. They want to stay a part of this, and that's a really easy way that they can be a part of the community. And then the other part of it is people who really don't know much about nutritional healing. Maybe they haven't done a program, they might, and they want to get a feel for who we are and what we stand for here. And then they come in and they realize how much fun it is.